Here is how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. So first, open the Google Chrome application. Pop-ups can be annoying, so I'll show you how to stop them. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Google Chrome application. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now, on the left side of the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Then in the Privacy and Security list, find and click on Site Settings. Scroll down to the content and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. At the top, you'll see Default Behavior, and currently it's likely to set to sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, but I have set do not allow sites according to my preference. So you can also go ahead and change this to do not allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Further down, you'll see a list of allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. You can remove specific websites from this list. To do so, you need to click on the three dots next to the website you want to remove and click on Remove. Or you'll see a bin icon. You can go ahead and click on it and it will be removed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.